Good afternoon, everyone. Speed test June. Yes, hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, June the 7th, 2024. The first Friday of the month, and on the first Friday of the month, I always do a speed test with the regular puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars. This one has 10 printed digits. I'm looking forward to solving this one. And the 1 star jigsaw Sudoku. Last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. As mentioned, 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. But first, now we do a speed test. Speed test, the first Friday of the month. I will do a speed test without comments, without any instructions. Let me position the camera first because I have not a lot of room here on this table. Yeah. Let me put this. Alright, this one will be number 8671. 8671 here. 8671. Okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So, let's get started. Speed test. Alright. 2 minutes and 30 seconds passed. 9, okay. 11, 55, 22, 33, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Come on, 1. Come on, 9. 6, 8, 3. Come on, 5. 5. How about the 2, 5. 1 should be there. Come on, 7 and a 2. 5 and 4. Need a 7 here. Need a 3 here. Come on. 3. 4, 5, 9. Need a 9 here. 9 should be there. 1 and the 4. 8 and the 7. Come on. Need 4 here. 1 here. 6. 9, 1, 2. Come on. 9. No. 1, 5, 4. 1, 5, 4. 5, 4. And here should be the 4. 5 and 8. Okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. This should be a 7 here. Is this correct? 7? No, 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 no. Missing here the 7. Double 9. Made a mistake. Ay, 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 ay. This should be a 7 here. No. 9, 9. Here should be the 9 instead of the 4. Ay! Where did I made a mistake? 3, 3. 3 is correct. Ay, 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 ay. 9, 9. This 9 is also correct. Correct. I made a mistake. 9. 9. Need a 7 here. 7. Ay, 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 ay. 7 should be here. Ay, 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 ay. Made a mistake, made a mistake. Do not know if this one is correct. Ay, 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 ay. 6, 6. This is correct. 4, 7, 8. 8 is correct. 4 and a 7 is correct. 2 and 5. Correct. 5 is also correct. Need a 5. Here or here? Oh, well. Supposed to be here. Double 8 here. Wow. What a mess, what a mess, what a mess. Let me delete this. This is a mess. Ay, 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 ay. This correct. Correct. Okay. Made a mistake here. Made a mistake. Need an 8. 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 2 here. This 2 is correct. Serenity now. 5. 3. 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3. This 3 is correct. 7. This 7 is correct. Need a 7 there. Ay, 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 ay. No 5 here. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. This 2 is also correct. 8, 3, 6, 7. Ay, 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 ay. Need a 1 here. 8. 8 and 8, 4, 8 and a 5. 4, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Okay, okay, okay. Need an 8, 8, 8. Need a 1 here. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2, 3. Need a 3 here. 7, 2, 6, 6, 6. Need a 1. Oh, we have a 1 here. Is this one correct? That's the question. Let me delete this. One. And 2, 3. No. And the 7 here. Need an 8. Need an 8 here. 8 there. 4 and 1. I'm stuck. 3, 2, 6. 7, 5. Come on. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 3, 1, 7, 8. Need an 8 there. 3, 5, and an 8 should be here. 3, 5, and an 8. So this can be 6. 6 should be here then. 6 and the 9. 1 and the 2 is missing. No 1 here. This should be the 1. This should be the 8. This should be the 4 then. 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 4. 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 1 then. 7 and the 5. 7. 4, 9. 9. Here should be the 9. Need an 8 here. Need a 5. Come on. This should be the 5. 5. No 5 here. This should be the 5. 3. This should be the 8 then. 8. Need an 8 there. And I need 8. 7. Hey. 7. Oh, double 7. This is not correct. 7, 8, and 6. I need a 6. This should be the 6. This should be the 8 then. Made a lot of mistakes here. 8. This should be the 6. Need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 9. 3, 4, and a 9. 4, 8. We have an 8. This should be the 4. 4. Need a 4 there. This should be the 8. This box should be a 5. 5. Need a 5 here. Eliminated 6. 6 should be there then. Need a 6 here. 6 and a 9. Need a 9 here. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 to 9. 9. Need a 9 here. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 8. 1. Need a 2. And 7. Yeah. Alright, 50 minutes. I cannot believe this. Exactly 50 minutes. A lot of mistakes, a lot of mistakes. Wow. You lose a lot of time. Anyway, we solve it again, Let me check this. If this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Double checked. Well, I hope the next puzzle no errors, otherwise I will lose a lot of time with correcting those numbers, but we solve it again. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.